Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ari, and in today's video I'm going to cover a topic called home equity. So I got this topic today, home equity 101. So a lot of you I know have got a house, and you may have bought that last few years ago, or maybe like 5 or 10 years ago, and you would have definitely, and the house price has gone up, and you would also have some equity there in your house. So I thought this would be the best time. So in this video I'm going to cover what is home equity, how does it work, and how does it calculate actually, and what are the things that you can do with your home equity. Let's get into this. So first of all, what is home equity? So in a nutshell, home equity is just the proportion that you actually own on your house. So it is the difference between the current value of your home and the current home loan balance that you have. So if you just see the difference, that would be your home equity, and what it means that you actually own that portion of your home, and the rest you got a mortgage with any lender out there. So now I'm going to show you actually I'm going to demonstrate you with an example so that you can easily calculate your home equity and see how it does actually work. So just for that example, this beautiful home out there, it's actually a nice home. I pretty much use that same photo on all my videos. I like that home. So say you bought that one of the beautiful home in Melbourne. Say you bought that in 2017 and you paid $500,000. And fast forward that 6 years, you have done the valuation on your property. Now it is say worth around $700,000 according to the bank. And you got a current loan balance on your existing home, $400,000, say, just for example, as of today. And so what will be the equity? It's very simple. So what do you have to do? Just the current value, and then you take out the loan balance that you have. That is actually your equity. So that $300,000 is equity. Now I think a lot of people understand that what is equity, but there's just one thing. Having said that, to the bank, what it means, the bank will actually loan you the maximum loan they will do at 80%. Like, you can go more than 80%, then you have to come up with that insurance, that what is called lender's mortgage insurance. But at 80%, how are you going to do that? Say your current valuation is say $700,000, and at 80%, what it means, the bank will lend you a maximum of say $560,000 against your house on that current valuation at $700,000. Now, and also for that example, as you said that we have a current balance on that mortgage is 400. So what are you going to do is we're just going to take that 400 out for 560, and you end up with $160,000. So this is the equity that you can actually use to do different things. So this is called usable equity. Now you can see, so that it's two different things. So this is $300,000. It's just the difference. But when you are actually going to the bank, and so when you go into the bank and asking for more money, so the bank will do at 80%, and they will give you $160,000. Now this is very easy to calculate once you actually done a few times. So all you have to do is just find out the value on your current property, and just take out that the balance, and then you can, all you have to do just times 80%, like your value times 80%, and then take out this current loan balance, and you can actually find out what is the usable equity. Now there's few ways you can find out your the valuation. You can actually go to the realestate.com.au, and you can do bit of comparison between there, like in your suburb, in your area, how the property is selling. And sometimes realestate.com.au will also give you an indicator with the price range that you can expect to get when you sell in the house, or if you sell the house. Now also a lender or broker can help you out as well. Like I can help you with a valuation on your house if you want to see how much your current house worth, and so there's few other ways you can do it. Now now that you understand what is equity, how you can actually calculate the equity in your home, I'm going to show you in a very quick way what are the things that you can do using that equity on your home. Now let's get into the next slide. Number one, cash out for purchase. So when I say cash out for purchases, you can take some cash out. You can buy a car. You maybe can go for a holiday. Like if you want to buy that $50,000 BMW or Mercedes or even $60,000, bank is happy to give you that money if you have enough equity in your home. Sometimes people also go and buy a business using that equity, as long as you you borrow that at 80%. And there's a second one, you can do renovation. Now renovation is a very common thing that people actually use and withdraw that cash or equity to buy. Like say for example, if you bought a house, say you may have bought a 20 years or 40 years old house, and you always wanted to do some renovation at your kitchen or the toilet or washroom, whatever you say, and you may want to do a bit of landscaping at the back or the front of the house, or maybe you want to change the roof. There's so many things that you can work at your house depending on how old is the house. So you can actually go to the bank and request to cash that out, that extra equity that you have, and use this to fund your renovation project. Now the third one that you can do, buying an investment property. Now look, this is one of the most common strategy that investors use to build their portfolio. Now if you ever thought that how can these people out there buy their first, second, third or fourth or fifth investment property sometime, so this is the strategy that they follow. So now what you can do, say for example, like same example, if you have that house now in this market 700, and if you have only $400,000 balance, the example that I gave you, you can actually take out $160,000 equity or do a cash out. Now what you can do, there's so many people who, what they do, they take this out and they actually use that equity to fund their next purchase. What they do, they a lot of the time they use that cash to pay for the deposit and take the rest as a loan. So you can, and by doing this you can actually buy your maybe first, second or third investment property, because what's happening is in Australia the property price is going up every year. So if you have a house, you will build some equity in that house, and you can always fund the next purchase using that equity and using that strategy. Now look, I'm not going in details today how you can buy your investment property using the equity, but I'm going to do a video very soon for all out there who who maybe plan to buy your first investment property if you have one. So stay tuned in my channel. I'm going to come up with a video, and I'm going to demonstrate how you can actually build your property portfolio using this strategy. Now look, I think there's so many other things that you can do with the equity, but but these are the most three common and I would say very common thing that people do in Australia, and use that cash to do the fund their project and other stuff. So I thought I just wanted to do a quick video, and I thought I'll just do a video on my laptop here instead of going to the whiteboard. I hope you understand now what is equity, and if you have a home, you must find out how much you can and what's the equity there. And if you wanna do anything further, maybe buying an investment property, it is easy. It's a good idea to find that out. That's all from me, and thank you for watching my videos. As I really I really very like how to say, I'm very excited that you guys watching my videos out there, and I hope I'm adding some values to your life. And if you are a first home buyer or an investor, stay tuned in my channel. I'm gonna come up with more videos. And thank you for watching once again. I really appreciate the time that you take to watch my videos, and if you haven't subscribed, go and subscribe my channel, and so that I can grow as well. And thank you for watching once again, and I'll see you in my next one. And enjoy the rest of the day. Thank you very much. Bye.